What's going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building, baby. We're here with Let's Roll. It's a new product, new company that's out right now. I met them in Tennessee at Run to the Hills 2 at a Traveling Talls event, and they were there demonstrating this dolly here. Wow, unbelievable. It was really nice and smooth. Very nice new item that came out. They're a new company, so check them out on Instagram, Let's Roll. And yeah, we're gonna do an open box here, and we're gonna do this right now. Let's do it. So here's the box. It says, "We show motorcycle respect and deserve. Let's Roll, made in the USA." Really nice. They come in two parts. This is the part that goes underneath to lift up the motorcycle, and then this is the dolly part where you roll it underneath and then you let it go. Let's open it up, baby. All right, guys, we're gonna open up the box here. Check it out. We're gonna go with the first item here. Very well sealed. It's pretty heavy. So you got your manual. This lift is engineered and tested twice to ensure your motorcycle will be very safe. Material properties of the industrial rubber keeps the motorcycle very secure from sliding. Comes standard with felt to protect your paint or epoxy floor and keep it from the lift from getting damaged. No ball bearings or hydraulic leaks. Simple mechanism. Use half swivel head ratchet with 7/8 deep well socket or a variable speed drill that has a gear reduction increase to availability of torque that is required. All right, guys, we're gonna open the big box now. We're gonna go inside, see what we got in here, and open box it. Here we go. Again, material properties of the industrial rubber keeps the motorcycle very secure from sliding. Therefore, there's no need for tie downs to keep your motorcycle safe. You're all good. So I come across the instructions to the cruiser on the one side, and on the other side you get your certificate from Let's Roll. Has all the serial number wise and everything. Now let's move on to the wheels. You get a 4-inch zero scuff wheels that won't mark your floors. 2 of them come with standard with the brakes. Now what we're gonna do is install the wheels. Very simple. Just use the screws that they come with and just tie it up. Finite, all set. Now let's install the top part where the rubber goes. That is the part that the bike is gonna go on top of once you remove the lift. 4 simple screws and you're good to go. The height is adjustable, so you have 2 levels, high and low. There you have it, guys. We're doing a little 360 walkthrough of the Let's Roll cruiser so you guys can see the material. Very sturdy. Well worth it. You're gonna have a good time with this. Very fun to use around. If you're interested in buying this dolly from Let's Roll, I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description
so you guys can purchase it, and it will definitely help out the channel.
All right, guys, there you have it, the open box on Let's Roll Dolly. Oh man, I can't wait to use this. Make sure you guys tune in to the next video. I will show you a demonstration how to use this dolly here. What a great product. Look at this, strong wheels, excellent wheels, unbelievable. We got the lift right there, so make sure you guys tune in to the next video. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Huge shout out, thank you to Let's Roll for sponsoring this channel, and we'll be in we're gonna be in Daytona. We're gonna be in Daytona doing a live demonstration on this as well. All right, guys, thank you guys for watching. Peace out.